Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road. Hey, today I'm going to introduce you to a new partner that we have here at the Dirt Hammers Off-Road YouTube channel, and that's going to be Rhino USA. And in this little bag here I got a nice assortment of some recovery gear from Rhino USA, and we're going to kind of cover some of that in this video. And what I'll do is I'll try to do some more videos. Probably most of y'all watching this channel probably know how to use the majority of the stuff that I'll have in here, but I'll try to put out some videos just to kind of demonstrate some of this recovery gear, just for some of the people that are coming on to the new to the channel, and also that are new to off-road, can get a little bit more information on how to use some of this recovery gear. Hey, and also what's really cool is I got a discount code that you can use to save 10%, and this is good for about 12 months. So use HAMMER at checkout. That's your discount code, HAMMER. I'll put a link below that you can click on. These guys have a variety of recovery gear, from Jeeps, sport utility stuff, all the way down to like ATV, side by side. They got some trailer and straps as well, so make sure you check them out. And also, we're going to do a deep dive into here. Well, not a deep dive, but we're going to dive into the bag and kind of talk a little bit about some of the items we have in here. And make sure you check the link out below. I definitely want you to check these guys out. They have some really good quality components here. A lot of this stuff is imported. I get that question a lot about any kind of product that I do here a lot on our channel. It is imported, but these guys, they do all their laboratory testing here in the United States. They do the design here in the United States. All their R&D is done here in the United States. They warehouse the products here in the United States, and they do employ some employees here in the United States. And they do have an office in California, and they just recently opened up an office in Woodstock, Georgia. So the team is growing, and you'll find out that they got some really nice products. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Okay, so let's dive in and see what we have in this recovery bag. Obviously, I've been playing with some of it a little bit just to get familiar with it. But first things up is soft shackles. Okay, soft shackle, 1/2 inch diameter. Got a working load limit of 14,000 plus pounds, max braking at 46,000, so that's pretty cool. Got a nice protective sleeve over it. But soft shackles, in a lot of ways act like a D-ring, but they're a little more versatile, and we'll jump into that in another video. But obviously when they're new, they can be a little stiff. So we got some soft shackles. Each soft shackle comes with its own carrying bag, and 2 of them fit in there pretty nicely. And we got 2 more. Now, if you want us to do a giveaway and give away 2 of these soft shackles, why don't you drop a comment below and tell us what you think. We may do a giveaway here on our YouTube channel for 2 soft shackles. Of course, it'll be for our subscribers, and there'll be some rules to that, but let us know what you think. So we got those. We got our tree saver, and again, we'll do some other videos and demonstrate these, but a tree saver is very important when you're trying to recover your vehicle and you're using your winch line. This definitely protects the tree. Okay, don't want to be out there damaging trees. Your winch line, cable line could really mar up a tree's bark and cause some problems with it. Next is our big tow strap, and this is not necessarily for snatching vehicles out of a stuck situation. This is for towing them, maybe down the trail, maybe down the side of the road, whatever you got to do to tow the vehicle. But a nice 3-inch wide. This thing's got a maximum brake is 31,000. The working load limit is 10,000 pounds. So this is plenty heavy duty enough to tow any sport utility, Jeep or anything like that. Up next is our big snatch block, and like I said, we'll get you a video on demonstrating how to use a snatch block and some of the benefits. But we're at about a 9,000 pound working load limit on this. Maximum brake about 27,000, but you can see this is a pretty nice heavy duty piece. And all this gear fits in this bag. One thing that's missing in this bag, and we're going to get, it's currently not in stock, it's due here probably any minute, is we're going to get a 1 inch in diameter Kinetic energy recovery rope. And that rope will be used perfectly for snatching stuck vehicles out of a mud hole, things like that. And we'll talk a little bit more about Kinetic energy ropes when we get one. But this pretty much can fit most of your needs right here, all in this one bag. Now I may add, just to be a little more versatile, I'll probably add a little D-ring or two. I'll definitely put my gloves in here, and we'll put the 1 inch Kinetic energy rope in here once we get it. So there's just a little look, introduce you to our new partner at Rhino USA, and we're excited to have those guys on board. We're excited to have some new recovery gear from those guys, and I really dig in the green and black theme. But hey, if you want us to do a giveaway, make sure you drop a comment below. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and stick around, and look forward to doing some other videos with this gear, and demonstrate how some of this works, especially for some of the new guys coming on board to off-road. They usually have a lot of questions and they need some additional help. But hey, make sure you subscribe, like the channel, share the video, and thanks for watching.